It happened. I got duped. This has happened to all of us. I'm at the store. I buy some tortillas. They look like they're maybe a little healthier than the others. Why? Because they say they are chia and quinoa tortillas. Those are delightful things. We try to work those into our cooking. Good stuff. So we get them. I get them home and I look at the label, and what are the last ingredients? In fact, before these ingredients are nitrite acid or something like that. I don't remember exactly what it was called. Baking soda was higher. So these tortillas would have been more appropriately labeled baking soda tortillas. But this happens to us, right? We fall for this marketing, we fall for this advertising sometimes, but the truth of the matter is they're just tortillas. But that said, where do you see this in your industry? I know where I see it in ours. I see this with performance claims. I will tell you there's a lot of great companies out there, and they're all good, they're all honest companies overall, but one of the areas that I see people really get kind of tricked up in is performance specs. I'm going to link below to a blog Brian did on max versus sustained performance. And what you really need to be careful with is making sure that the performance specs you're being guaranteed are sustained performance specs, not max burst. And this is where I've seen a lot of people kind of use a little word trickery. So little pro tip there. Be careful with that one. But check out that blog, and you can check out both max and sustained performance specs on our tech specs pages. And yeah, so watch out for those marketers out there.